Hello everyone, welcome to VIDYA the Career Talks. This is Abhilash, Physics faculty, and I'm going to give you some important information regarding EAMCET Physics. Okay, right. See, at national level, mains exam is the biggest competitive exam for entering into graduation level, right? Coming to Telugu states, most of the students will be writing EAMCET exam for engineering and medical entrance examinations, right? So how to get good score in EAMCET physics with minimum efforts and proper strategies. So that is what I'm going to tell you in today's video, right? So importance and hassle-free preparation techniques for EAMCET physics. See, 2 points we have over here. One is importance of EAMCET physics or importance of physics. So that is what I am going to tell you, and one more is how to prepare like with minimum efforts and getting good marks in physics, right? See, coming to importance of physics exam, like physics, like when you study physics, like what you are going to achieve, right? See, first one, coming to this score booster. See, in EAMCET physics, you have 40 marks. Out of 40 marks, you can safely score 30-35 marks with proper time management and proper studying, right? So that is like score booster, and I'm going to elaborate in the upcoming slides. So this is one of the important thing, score booster. So I'll try to tell you about what is rank booster. See, in a class of 100 students, suppose if they write an exam, many chances were there getting same marks, same total marks. So then how rank will be decided for those type of students? So here also in EAMCET exam, lakhs of students are going to write the exam, and there are many possibilities to get same marks. So how your rank will be decided? So first criteria in EAMCET exam is mathematics, because mathematics has more weightage, 80 marks will be there. So suppose same total is there and same like mathematics marks are also there. After that, physics comes the criteria. So physics plays an important role in deciding the rank in that particular situation. So if you get more marks in physics, your rank will be boosted up automatically. Why I'm telling you this is, especially in physics, because generally students will feel difficulty in physics and they'll keep it as a third priority. But in deciding this tiebreaker criteria, this physics plays an important role in boosting up your rank. So after mathematics, you have to keep your physics as a second criteria in getting the marks, and that also in improving your rank. See, getting the marks is one set. Like if you get a better rank, definitely you will be placed in a good college. So rank booster is very much important. Like you have to take this criteria and you have to put it in your mind. Okay, so physics plays second major role in boosting your rank. So this is what about rank booster. And next, foundation for engineering and sciences. Once you enter into your engineering college, you'll be taking different disciplines of engineering, right? Either civil, mechanical, electrical, like aerospace engineering. In all these engineering disciplines, physics will be definitely there. See, once you try to study physics subject in a proper detailed manner at this particular level, 2 types of skills you will develop. One is analytical skills and one more is comprehensive skills. So analytical skills means you'll be able to tackle problems in an efficient manner. So different topics will be there. All the topics you have to mingle and you have to get a solution. So problems are not only related to a particular topic. Different topics can be mixed up and a problem can be framed. So this helps you everywhere in your engineering disciplines also. So that's why if you leave physics as of now, again it is a biggest hurdle when you study engineering. So that's why if you tackle physics problems in a proper manner, if you try to develop some particular standard methods, it is a foundation for engineering and sciences also in all the engineering disciplines. So that's how physics is very much important in score booster as of this EAMCET exam, and rank booster related to EAMCET exam also, and this is for your future. So this is how physics is important. Right. So I'm going to tell you in detail about how to boost your score especially in physics exam, right? Yeah. So first coming to the weightage of physics topics. Majority of the questions will come from mechanics part, and second majority is electricity and magnetism, and after that modern physics around 4 to 5 questions, optics 3 to 4. So remaining and all you'll have nominal number of questions, right? So coming to this first electricity and magnetism, modern physics and optics, these are the topics related to your second year syllabus. So definitely these topics were very much easier, because in second year you will study for a lot of time, you will be preparing for competitive exams also, and these topics were also easy in comparison to mechanics topics. So if you concentrate mainly on this electricity and magnetism, modern physics and optics, so almost around 15 to 20 questions will be covered. 15 questions out of 40 in EAMCET Physics, you will be able to cover 15 questions. Right? So after that you can concentrate on the remaining topics. Mechanics around 9 to 10 questions, and remaining first year topics, thermodynamics and heat, waves and oscillations. Right? And coming to these 1 to 2 questions where you are getting from units and measurement, dual nature of matter and radiation, communication systems, these were very easy topics, and conceptually based questions will come from this, and you can concentrate on these also, right? So what I'm going to tell you is, first you concentrate on second year topics, that are electricity and magnetism, modern physics and optics. Later on you get into the other topics of first year. So in that way, if you plan, it's very easy to score like a good marks in EAMCET Physics. Okay, right. Next, sir, you are saying all these things. So then how to study? These many topics were there. So if you have such questions in your mind, so I have a few strategies that you have to follow when you are preparing for EAMCET exam. After mains, definitely you will be coming to your major engineering exam in Telugu states is EAMCET, right? So preparation for EAMCET Physics or EAMCET exam is completely different from mains preparation. Right? In mains preparation, you have to attempt only 75 questions, but over here you have 160 questions. So time management is very much important, and the way you solve the questions, the speed and accuracy that you have to maintain is very much important in getting a seat in EAMCET. Right? So for that, to improve your speed and accuracy, your preparation techniques, so I got some strategies. So just we'll get into that. Yeah, so preparing for EAMCET can seem daunting, but with a solid plan, so perfect plan, you can master physics, and here are some steps to guide you. Right? Yeah. See, how to strategize your preparation. So ela plan చేసుకోవాలి. సో మన ప్లాన్ ఎంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉంటే ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవడం ఒకటి, ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఒకటి. సో ప్లాన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉంటే ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ అనేది చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి హ్యాజిల్ ఫ్రీ. సో ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటైజ్ హై వెయిటేజ్ టాపిక్స్. అంటే మన ప్లానింగ్లో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే హై వెయిటేజ్, మనకి కంఫర్టబుల్ ఉన్న టాపిక్స్, దట్ టు హై వెయిటేజ్ ఉన్న టాపిక్స్ని పిక్ చేసుకొని అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ దెమ్. సో ఇక్కడ నేను మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చూపించిన వెయిటేజ్ స్లైడ్లో వీ హ్యావ్ హై వెయిటేజెస్ ఫర్ మెకానిక్స్, ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిజం పార్ట్, మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్ అండ్ ఆప్టిక్స్. Right? See, suppose mechanics is tough, so you can keep it aside. You can come to electromagnetism, complete this, and after that you can go through modern physics and optics. Right? So first plan, if you are comfortable, if you are very much comfortable in second year topics, so first complete these two. So most of the questions, around 10 to 15 questions will be covered from these two topics, and next you can come to mechanics. Right? So this is how you have to like high weightage topics have to be prioritized when you are planning it. So this is very much important. So first step in your planning is this: high weightage topics are to be picked up in which you are comfortable. So next, second step, build a strong fundamental. So when you are going through that particular topic, how to prepare. So you should have a concept clarity, because there are some conceptual questions which are coming from modern physics and optics. So there you need perfect concept clarity. Right? And interlinking concepts also will be there. So coming to this electromagnetism part, interlinking questions will be there. Electricity and magnetism related questions will be there, or mechanics with electricity linked questions will be there. So whatever the interlinking concepts were there, that you have to like prepare in a proper manner. right? So you have to be very careful. So these topics, you should have a concept clarity. These topics, you should be very much careful. Other things were easy. Just if you remember the formula, you can solve. But if they make it bit tough, so definitely interlinking questions will be there. So those questions also you need to concentrate. Right? So like prioritize high weightage topics and build strong fundamentals in these manner according to the topics. Right? Not in a general manner. According to this topics, you have to build a concept clarity, and according to these topics, you have to more careful on interlinking concepts. Right? Next, effective practice. See, everything has a very much like efficient use behind that. Previous year's papers. So why I need to practice previous year's papers? If you practice previous year's papers, you will be understanding what type of models you are coming in the physics or chemistry or mathematics. So you will understand the models. So what type of models you are getting in the exams. So that you will get the clarity, and in that way you can prepare also. So once you go through previous year papers, definitely you will be able to understand the types of models that you get in the question papers. So that's why you have to practice previous year's papers. Next, mock tests. After completing your preparation, you have to take as many possible as like mock tests. So not just 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. If you are comfortable with 20 or 30 mock tests every day, you can take a mock test every day, right? What is the advantage of taking these mock tests? You can, as I told you, you have to attempt 160 number of questions. Till you attempt your mains exam, you are habituated to write 75 questions. But taking these mock tests, it will be helpful to improve your speed and accuracy in solving 160 number of questions. Right? So to improve your speed and accuracy, taking this mock test will help you. And one more advantage is you can identify your weak areas. So whichever areas you are weak, whichever subtopic you are weak, definitely you can overcome those difficulties in revising them multiple times every day. Because every day you will take a mock test, every day there is a chance of rectifying your mistakes, and it works out very well. Okay, so don't neglect these mock tests. This is very much important. Right? Next, problem solving variety. So don't get habituated to solve. Suppose in a particular topic you are getting problems of a particular model. If you try to avoid other models, definitely you will be in a trouble. So in a particular subtopic, variety number of problems are to be solved. So variety number of problems, different types of models are to be solved. So once you are comfortable with these two, next, the third thing that you have to concentrate is problem solving variety. Variety number of problems are to be solved. So you can tackle any type of question that you get in the exam. So this is also very much important. This is the third step. Right? Yeah. So this is for effective practice. Next, the third one is organized revision. So once you start the revision, the summary notes. See, just you should not read in a vague manner, because it doesn't work out once you go nearby the exams. Once the time is nearby, it is very much difficult for you to revise. You can't revise the entire textbook, which is of some 200 to 300 pages. So once you are starting your revision part, definitely this summary notes preparation is very much important. Any one particular, suppose Atwood's machine problem is there. So you have tension and acceleration related formula are there. Method is very much important, and at the same time, you have to remember the formula also. Because in few other problems, formula will help you a lot, right? So in that way, you need to prepare a summary notes, so which gives a gist, and you can take the help of that particular summary notes before few days of your exams. Right? So this is very much important. If you just go in a like normal manner, just going through all the complete notes, it doesn't work out afterwards. So just prepare some summary notes. And regular review sessions. Regular review sessions means there are few topics which are confusing always. So multiple values will be there. So multiple cases will be there. Like in Doppler effect, either object and observer moving towards or away. One is moving away, one is moving towards. So related to that, multiple like you have cases. So to remember such type of formulae, you need to practice it every day. Every day, just 1 hour, whatever those type of confusing concepts are there, like you need to review those formula every day for 1 hour. So then after 1 week or 10 days, you will have that complete clarity on that particular topic. And once you sit in the exam hall also, once you sit in the exam hall, you will be in the tensed mode. So if you don't review it properly, those particular cases which are confusing, you will not get the perfect idea. You will get confused. Right? So that's why those cases which are confusing, those you have to give multiple reviews so that you will have a complete clarity and you can work out very easily. Right? So these are the like strategies that you need to follow in getting good marks for EAMCET Physics. Right? Yeah. So hope you have got the sufficient knowledge to acquire best score in EAMCET Physics. So follow these strategies. Still, if you have any doubts, you can comment, and our team, VIDYA the Career Talks, will come in touch with you and they'll clear your doubts. Still, like whatever the doubts you have, that will be clarified. So don't worry at all. Follow the strategies. You'll have to boost up your confidence and you can safely and happily enter into the exam hall and you can give your best. Right? So all the best to everyone. Thank you.